Hello, this is Gregory, the poor typist, and this is an unboxing of the latest addition to my typewriter family, and this will also serve as my introduction to the typewriter community. So, alright, let's get down to this. Now, previously, everything in my collection was purchased for $50 or less. This is the first exception to that. And yeah, it was, including shipping, it was probably double that. But I really wanted to add this to my collection, so I'm very excited. And without further ado, let's take a look. As you see here, the case is decent. I suspect leatherette, and you notice right away the homemade handle. The handle had to be replaced, and it does have the key. So let's check it out. Excellent. Very well packed. I'm pleased. Has the original plastic cover. You see there, it is the Royal Futura. And it came with a piece of paper. I don't know why they would do that, but yes. And it also has a typing brush slash eraser. Yeah. So, yeah. Very cool. Just looking at it, I'm very pleased with the condition of it. It lives up to the pictures. So, I guess I should have left the paper in there to do a proper typing test, but this is the, let's see if you can, this is what it came with. So the ink will have to be replaced. Wow, and that is some nice elite type there, 12 characters per inch. So, yeah, very excited. Anyway, let's do a typing test. I just discovered an interesting thing. Here you see the ruler or the type guide on the type bar. But back here, it only goes to 22. That's very interesting. I guess they did that because it's essentially going to be behind the paper anyway. But I think most typewriters go all the way across, don't they? And of course, I'm totally revealing myself as a complete and utter newbie. But there you go. So there you go. That's actually not bad. The paper they had in there, they clearly didn't know what they were doing as far as typing, because I actually got a pretty dark imprint. Yeah. So I'm very pleased. So this was the latest addition to my typewriter family, the Royal Futura 800. I'm very, very pleased, and I can't wait to write a letter to one of my typewriter pen pals. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.